Next here is just a quick one. Actually, we've had a few from the pronunciation mastery course because so many people have been signing up to our free trial lately, because we've been really putting that everywhere on our website and our social media and things like that. We've got lots of free trial sign-ups. If you listen to this podcast and you haven't at least tried our course, we've now got a 30-day trial. We've extended it from we've lengthened it from the 14-day free trial to 30-day because people were just getting in touch with us saying, I didn't have enough time to, the usual, right? Life got in the way. I really wanted to see what this is all about. And then my trial ended. And so we were kept giving out extensions. We were like, this is silly. 30 days. And that gives you full unfettered access to phase 1, which teaches our entire character method, teaches our mnemonics method for learning compound words as well. You'll learn 45 characters, a handful of words, and also pronunciation, of course, pronunciation mastery. And essentially you can get through all of that easily in 30 days if you put in a bit of time every day, like 30 minutes or so, maybe an hour, certainly with an hour. And you'll learn all that stuff for free. So anyway, lots more people have got access to the pronunciation course now. So we've got lots of pronunciation mastery comments these days. They're great. So here's a few in a row here. So we've got Marek Kaspersky on the SRS memory game. This is where Phil is teaching you about why SRS, spaced repetition software, flashcards, are so important. And it's because of the intervals get growing as you get better at the information. So it's very, very efficient in that way. And once you get something wrong, the interval goes back to 0, or a very lower interval, depending on how you tweak the settings. And he just says, so unbelievably cool. You guys are the masters. What you are saying just works beautifully. I'm convinced. I'm learning. That's fantastic. I love seeing people with that attitude. Positivity is spreading throughout, and that tends to happen with Phil's emails and Phil's videos. I tend to be a bit more down to earth, sort of British, sort of, and Phil's much more American. Like, yeah, you can do it, And although I still have that sentiment in here, it's with my culture. It's a bit harder for me to be so upbeat. So sorry about that. But I hope it comes. I still feel it in here. I hope you know that. Yeah, Phil is definitely the more motivating one. It's contagious, isn't it?
Hey guys, if you like this video and you'd like us to help you reach literacy and fluency in Mandarin Chinese as fast as possible without all the headache of traditional learning methods, just head to mandarinblueprint.com to learn more.